Zed, how's it going? Here we are, Heat 16. How fast is this tournament going?
Yeah, I know, right? It really is a full-on tournament there, Hot Car Track, but pretty grateful for the soft chair and the air conditioning up here in the booth, and also for the pineapple pizzas. Yeah, it really is a tough gig.
Okay, let's look at our drivers and teams for tonight.
Lily's Boneyard is back, and they've bought the Ernest plumbing van this time. They've also managed to score Ryan Jr. as a driver, and he's no amateur, so the others better bring their A game.
Back on the track is 100 Proof Racing as the builder, Scorpio Love Smith's behind the wheel, and this is Free Hugs Friday, weighing 100 grams.
Oh, this is a really cool van. Rust Belt Racing has built Marvin the Martian van with none other than Matthew Devers sitting in the driver's seat. Good luck, Matty D.
Taking up the last spot in Heat 16, the builder is Snowman Diecast Racing. The driver is Melvin, this is weighing 40 grams, the Toxic Avenger.
Hey, Hot Car Track, I see Scorpio Love Smith has returned. Cool. He was one of the first drivers from memory at Mount Western Raceway, so let's get this heat started and see how he handles things in a van.
Spectacular night of racing with that big flip over there by Lily's Boneyard. Wow, right on the line. Unfortunate. Congratulations to all teams racing in tonight's heat.
Well, congratulations to 100 Proof Racing with the Free Hugs Friday van. Scorpio Lovesmith is the driver. You guys are off to the semis.
And congratulations to the builder, Rust Built Racing, with Matthew Devers behind the wheel. You're going off to the semi-finals in the Marvin van. Well done. Let's wrap up Heat 16, NZ.
What a friendly start to this heat. Very little contact, and Scorpio was looking back to check to see if the others were getting down all right.
Almost a perfect line heading towards the finish line there. All four made it across. What are your thoughts on race 2? Looks like they all got off to a good start.
This is probably the most polite heat we've ever had. These guys are certainly looking out for each other. However, this is where Melvin really needed to pick up the pace because he was quite low on points.
Let's look at the replay from race 3.
Okay, this is where the action started. Ryan Jr., he gets up on two wheels. Matthew Devers hits the nitrous and pops a wheelie. Melvin finds the gap while in reverse and actually claims second place.
Melvin hanging on tightly there for second place, with Scorpio really putting the pressure on him right over that finish line. Race 4 was scrappy from the top. Let's review this one.
Well, all gloves are off in race 4. Ryan Jr., he took the inside line, causing Melvin to swerve and find the shortcut to nowhere. Matthew Devers took out Ryan Jr., resulting in that massive stack near the finish line. And Scorpio didn't want to be left out. Bang! Gives Ryan a nudge as well.
Kicking him while he's down. Oh, the shame. That is a wrap on Heat 16. NZ and myself will see you in Heat 17. Catch you later.